Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Remember I said I would do a course schedule and a course syllabus overview for our second check-in for Module 1. Just a reminder, Module 1 is extended. So you have until the 6th to do your work, April 6th. So we're still on Module 1 here. But the syllabus is pretty standard on the front end of things, so take a look at that. Just a note, when we do our legal research paper, and you guys, if you had me in communications, will know this, you can't use AI to write your paper. You can use AI for ideas. I do that. Like, hey, what are some thoughts regarding this? And it'll generate ideas. You just can't have it write your paper. So don't have it write your discussion boards either. I can easily tell when you use AI, and I do not want to have to point that out. It's pretty simple to tell when someone uses AI. So um, they all write the same. So that's Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, anything. I could figure out AI writing from a mile away. So don't do that. I've been writing for a long time. Just to highlight some of the course requirements, right? You got to be in attendance. You have to actively participate and contribute ideas. That's your discussion board posts or your assignments that we've talked through. You got to work productively in individual activities. We don't really have any group activities here. Your legal research case will be a big assignment for you guys. You got to pass, right? You got to pass each skill, which are learned throughout the class, have a minimum of 77%. But the biggest thing that I really wanted to highlight here is this important grade scheme. All right, so you have your PPS points are going to be 10% of your final grade. Your review questions are 15% of your final grade. I got to put the number in there, but it amounts to 15% for all of them. They're all going to be like a 1.5% a piece or so. 2 exams, 30%, 15% each. Final exam, which is worth 30%, which is, if you add the two up, 60% for those exams. So exams are a big portion of this class, and then your grading of your paper and presentation is going to be 15% as well. So that adds up to the all-inclusive 100%. So that is how the grading system works. Course objectives are listed here as well, so take a look at that when you have a chance. I'm going to go over the course schedule as well. 1 second. All right, your course schedule located here. It should say subject to change at the very top. I'm going to try to fix that. It'll probably be here in a bit after this video, but this is subject to change. So from that perspective, you have each module listed here. And Module 1, of course, is an extended week, ends on 4/6. So have everything here from what you need to do to also what the chapter is about. It's very basic. It's a very basic schedule, but it has everything in here. One thing that I'll note, as you go along, you can kind of plan out when your exams are going to be. So the first exam is going to be May the 18th. The second one is due June 25th. And then, of course, your legal research project is due 6/1, June 1st. One thing that I'll note, exam 2 and the final exam are kind of close together, so within a week. So we're going to really knock those two out at the end of the semester. It's just the way things fall in relation to when we get to Module 9, 10, and 11, because we got to get through the module, at least through Module 10, in order to do the second exam, so I don't want to throw things off there. So hopefully this helps. This is a broad overview, of course, of the schedule and the syllabus. Let me go back to the course really quick. Well, I already did that. All right, here we go. I'm going to pop into the course content. 1 second. Module 1 still, Introduction to Law and Ethics. So make sure to get all your work done on time. You do have those review questions that are going to be due on the 6th. Another thing that I'll note, I did find out some information about citing legal research cases, and I'll have that updated in the legal research file. Not this one, but when we talk about legal research in Module 4 APA writing. All right, more to come on that, because there's been some changes on the search. So if you're watching this video, here's the reason I'm saying it. There are a couple of different changes. All right, hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hopefully you watch this and it helps you in relation to the schedule and the syllabus. But I look forward to continuing through Module 1 and knocking that out. And on next Saturday, I'll have Module 2's check-in. Thanks so much.